So we are at this like a wildlife thing where you like drive through and the animals come up to your car. So we got our food and we're ready to go.
This is so scary.
What's up?
He's like, give me some food.
Oh, they scary.
Hey, look.
It looks like promise.
Daddy wants a water buffalo.
He's scary.
Even.
Oh,
your hair is like. Whoa.
Oh, baby.
Good job.
It's a buffalo. Take your finger off.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, buddy.
He's done with us.
You're welcome.
They moved their side one by one.
Oh.
Hey, Snailhead. Hey, look what I got. I don't have food. Hey, look what I got. You want it? Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Here. Sorry, bud.
He's like, no.
Come, he's so pretty.
Texas Longhorns, guys.
Seriously,
this is important.
Smell like his butt. Look at that one. Look at that.
I'm gonna have a bruise. You got some ugly teeth, dude. Whoa. You got this on video, Tori? This is awesome. Whoa. Oh, you smell like feed. You smell like a cow. Wow. Open wide. Oh, sorry. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job.
Baby.
You're awesome. Whoa, don't bite me, please.
You're so beautiful. Here.
I smell poop. It's so funny.
Open your mouth, buddy.
I'm gonna throw it on the ground.
Why can't he control himself?
Look at that zebra. It's a brown zebra.
Where?
Come down.
Aren't they all kind of brown?
I throw you one. No.
Can we go to the next set?
You gotta open. Ah! Ah!
Ooh, here comes the llama.
There's a llama.
Oh my goodness.
He's right there.
Sorry. Here, it's on the floor.
Ouchie, just throw him
That's
out.
rolled out the window. Yeah, that means I was looking that way and he was gonna come hit the back of my head.
What's up, buddy? Hey, hey,
He is so big. How is this even a bird?
Whoa, you want it? Ow! Ow! Here, I got some more for you here. Ow! Ow! Ow!
It looks like a puppet.
Mom, look at the one over your window.
That's a Nemo.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
Look.
I wanna eat him.
No. His neck is so weird. It's so skinny.
Someone can reach on the roof.
Where's his head?
How? How'd you even know it was up there?
Daddy said to hold it.
Look at the. Whoa, why don't these ostriches like that?
Look, he's got a cross on his back.
These donkeys are so cute.
Kaylee let the goats out.
I did.
Let the goats out. Oh no! Oh my goodness!
You ready?
Yeah.
Here.
Look, guys, they're getting their tan on.
Giraffe is the background.
Too bad we can't feed this cute giraffe. Your heads were
We
sour.
got our first ever Slurpees. So my dad, we're on a long drive, and my dad said that if we get 10, what are they called, 18-wheelers to honk for us, then he'll give us each $5. But Josh, after 4, started refusing to roll down the window unless we each give him 20%. So our little business major, but now we're at He's gonna do it! He's gonna do it.
You faker!
Just need 2 more, Dad. How do you feel for yourself?
I feel very positive.
We just need 1 more truck, but we're in traffic and no Erica's 3 watches on her arm for some reason.
Look at these strong boys.
Wow, my brother and cousin are so strong.
Hey, we need orders. This is heavy.
So we're at my other grandparents' 50th anniversary. Where are they? Oh, never mind, they're not there. But yeah.
And she was walking down the aisle with her dad, and she had her mama's dress on, her veil. And she was smiling, but her daddy wasn't. But anyway, as I was looking at her, you know, I feel like the Lord looked at me and just smiled at me. And
Guys, look at this beautiful cake that my cousin made.
So we are in Life Church, our home church that we started, and yes, and we have people from LifeNet in Belize in Katy with us. This is Mr. Jack and Yvette, and they're from LifeNet, and they're in Katy with us.
We're shopping at Walmart, and Robert thinks she has to be like official and stuff, and she literally spent like 20 minutes looking for a red pen.
Yes, because I have to fix all y'all's mistakes.
And today we went to Forever 21, and Kaylee left her Starbucks cup and got her finger stuck in a ring. This is why we can't bring these kids to America.
Starbucks without me?
Erica, what happened?
Yeah, because the color.
Yeah, Robin.
The main one, what do you think? Yeah.
Erica, what did you think of the puff test?
Toy made it sound intense, but it actually wasn't. It just had you look at a little light, and you were just thinking about the light. So
So you survived?
Erica has to get glasses. All the girls except Kaylee's not getting any picked out their glasses, and my dad is the last one. He's taking the longest.
Okay, folks.
This won't be up in time.
Different people like different ones.
You can
So, I
still
don't
comment and
know.
tell
I'm
us which
so
one you like.
confused.
Put them all on.
Look. Please help me.
Did we
Okay.
say
Wait, this one?
I was
This one?
I like this one, and
This
I
one.
like this one.
All right.
So comment, even though you'll be.
So we are at Chuck E. Cheese to kind of celebrate my dad's birthday. And I want to introduce you to my cousin, but he's being shy.
Guys, my cousin, here he is finally, is a pro. He got like,
I don't want to be on vlog.
he already got two whatever they're called candy, and he still has a lot left. My dad got shot gum.
I have for this.
Oh, never mind, it has a roach on it.
Wearing the
Ryan got gum, he told me to give everybody a piece. Josh, Ryan bought gum, he said to give everybody a piece.
it's shot. Oh no. Alright, let's see if this
It
is
didn't
another
work.
100.
Here's my other cousin, he's also a pro. Say hi to the vlog. This is Tyler. Go, Kaylee. That's disturbing. This is my dad's video. It's a video. Say hi to my vlog, Chucky.
Hi, Chucky. I'm
Go
moving
subscribe,
46 on
Rocky Tech
Saturday.
Plus One.
Are you excited?
You're too smart.
Yeah, I want some gum. Ah!
How is it? And Jody blessed us with getting her nails done.
So my aunt always is blessing us, and she took us to get our nails done. So this is mine. I feel like a princess. They got gel nails. And then we all got our We got our new glasses. Guys, just me and Erica. My moms aren't here yet, but don't get used to them because I'm not going to wear them that much.
So my parents went
No,
away
you're not
for
gonna-
like a little weekend. So my aunt and uncle brought us to Cece's. And we're having like and now we are at the best place in the world, frozen yogurts. Yeah.
So this is literally like the weirdest combination of everything, but good.
This is cool. Wow. This is so cool.
Josh, did you put up that light? Was it in the living room?
Okay.
Yeah, that's so cool. Yeah. Light up the light bulb.
Come on in. Mommy leave you outside. She's so mean.
If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment for what you thought about the vlog. And subscribe for a new video every Saturday. Hasta luego, VC, Slava Bogo, Shalom Alaikum. I say goodbye. See you, glory to God. Peace be unto you. It's Spanish, Hebrew. Bye.
Do you like her glasses and her Duck Dynasty nightgown?